Hi, I'm Charlie LaRich with the Lincoln Electric Welding School. This week we got a special guest, Ruby. She's down here this week to enjoy the class with us.
So I'm a member of the Lincoln Motorsports team, and one of the great benefits of being a part of this team is we have resources like this school. This facility where I am training at this week is beyond anything I've ever seen. And I'm here for the Advanced Motorsports Fabrication class where I get to come and continue my welding education. I personally have never welded magnesium, titanium, or Inconel, so I'm super excited to add this to my tool belt. I'm very much a visual and tactile, hands-on learner. To be able to be in an environment for only a week and to be able to get one-on-one demos, hands-on teaching, to be able to weld and have real-time correction is something that I don't know where else I could get this. Being here and getting that real-time feedback and to learn it to the standards that Lincoln is going to teach me is obviously why I traveled across the country. Even if you're not here to do something like the Advanced Motorsports Fabrication class like I am, they have so many other cohorts available. And if you've never welded, or if you're somebody that wants to take your motorsports fabrication to the next level, there's something on either end and so many more programs in between.